And we're back. Action.
Brothers Bistro. Recipe so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kitty.
I'm Musclehead Ken, and we're the Clark Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. I keep having the song ringing in my head. Cheeseburger in paradise. Doesn't it go something like that?
Something like that.
But that's what we're doing tonight, right, buddy?
Yeah, we are tuning in from California. We're going to do something super simple, a kind of a cold weather fave.
I'm kind of excited because my brother keeps throwing these super complicated things at me, and I just want to fix
This
the
has got
basics.
like 4 ingredients and 3 steps, and Bob's your uncle, huh?
Bob is your uncle, in fact. All
So
right.
when we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients to this super simple recipe. Hold on to your hats.
I thought it was just a couple of ingredients, but it looks like you added to my list.
Well, it's not really very many, so let me walk you through it. So we got some cheese, and I just got the bag out here because it's actually half of this bag is going to go into it. We got some onions, we got some celery, salt and pepper, parsley, and what's in there?
That was the Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
And then this is the roasted tomato, diced roasted tomatoes.
Right, in a can.
And this is chicken broth.
Right,
And this is
spinach.
Spinach. And we're actually going to use the whole thing. This kind of adds a little bit
And
of
we
volume
forgot the
to it.
star of the show.
Right. And that's our hamburger, but we had steak from the other night, so we just used our steak.
Yeah, so
And
the
it's supposed to be
recipe,
a pound.
the recipe calls for a pound of lean ground beef. We ended up having some steak, so we're going to use what's in our kitchen. That's one of the nice things about this. And it's literally a one-pot wonder. We're going to warm up the steak in this, and we're going to start adding in the other ingredients as we go.
Okay, buddy, come on over. Check it out. You hear it? You don't hear it, do you?
No, I don't hear it at all.
Yeah, let's see.
Hear
Come on,
what?
Get real close. Get real close.
Ooh. Okay, so what do you got going on
That's
there,
our
buddy?
1 pound of meat, and I'm adding in the celery. And I'm adding in the onions because we got to saute these bad boys and get them all soft. And then we're going to add in our beef or chicken broth and our seasonings.
Well, first we're going to saute these until they're soft, and that's, that's it. It's going to take us 5
For
or
the
10
record,
minutes.
that's what I said.
Wow, it's smelling good.
Oh,
And we don't have any fat because there's no ground beef. in
Right,
this
so we don't have to
bad
pour
boy.
anything off because
But,
it did
but
say
this
is
would be the time. Yeah, this would be the time.
But I'm going to put in the chicken broth.
Okay.
Okay. And it called for like 3/4 of this, but I think I'm just going to put the whole thing because it's a soup. So it's just a little bit more liquid. It's not really going to hurt anything.
Okay. And we got the fully leaded version, but you can get the low sodium. Which I think the recipe calls for the low sodium version.
Yeah, it's probably a good idea because a lot of times what we found is it doesn't taste that much different,
Right.
and you just get less salt.
And now we got the diced tomatoes. It calls for the whole can.
Fire roasted, and then this is our Worcestershire, and our pepper, and our parsley. And a little bit of salt. We probably didn't need the salt.
And the cheese. It's about
And
half the
cheese
bag.
is half the bag, so we're just gonna sprinkle it in there. About half the bag. Stir it up.
And now we cover it and let it simmer for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minets, buddy.
But it's looking
It's
good.
gonna melt the cheese and it's gonna make everything yum,
Be
yum,
all
yum.
gooey.
Coming in, buddy.
Pull the lid off.
What?
Look at it.
How does it look?
It's just simmering a little. That's what they said. Keep it simmering.
Okay.
You can see the tomatoes and a little bit of cheese. I put the spinach in, and we're gonna let it cook for just a couple of minutes to kind of wilt up the spinach. It adds a little bit of heartiness to the soup, but it's looking pretty good and it's smelling pretty good.
Okay.
So we're just gonna let it go for a couple minutes and then we're gonna serve it up. Here's our soup. Ready? Wow, look at
Okay, it looks pretty good, right?
Well, it feels hot.
The dish is hot for sure. Whew. I think we're gonna have a little trouble getting it in our mouth.
Yeah, it looks super hot.
Ooh, I can see the steam coming off. Did you get that in your mouth?
Ooh, it was good though. It's really good. I didn't get any of the solids because it's too darn hot. How is it? Pretty good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So this was super simple, guys. 30 minutes.
Super
Throw
yummy.
the stuff in a pot.
Yeah, just a handful of ingredients and easy peasy. Took about 30 minutes. Brothers Bistro, here for your health. This is for the critics in the back. Brothers Bistro, here for your health.
There you go.